Granada, at the forefront of recycling. In 1996, Granada Council set up the first master plan for the treatment of urban waste, which opted for the use of a mechanical biological treatment of the refuse for the entire province. The initial facility fell short in terms of capacity and efficiency to cover the province. However, in 2013, with the start of the Eco-Central Granada plan, the facility was able to provide for the urgent need for waste treatment. This put our province at the head of recycling in Spain, both in terms of processing capacity and recovery of sub-products. The plant has been planned, designed and constructed by the STADLER company, ensuring the plant is equipped with the latest advances in German technology. With over 150 waste treatment plants constructed worldwide, the experience of STADLER is synonymous with knowledge and technical solvency and a guarantee of success for Eco-Central Granada. The project has involved an investment of approximately 20 million euros, financed by European Cohesion Funds, the Andalusia Regional Government and the Granada County Council, which has ensured that Eco-Central Granada has achieved all its objectives to date. These objectives are to increase the recovery of sub-products with the expansion of the capacity and automation of the processing lines, the construction of a new refining plant and another leachate treatment plant, the adaptation of the sub-product storage zone and improvement of the vegetation screens. The Eco-Central Granada plant has a processing capacity of up to 450,000 tonnes of waste per year. This process starts with the reception and weighing of the trucks, which bring the waste from the waste transfer plants distributed throughout the province of Eco-Central Granada. Once the waste is unloaded in the discharge area using a hydraulic grab, the input material is fed into the plant to begin reprocessing. The waste goes through an initial sorting cabin called a pre-sort cabin, where the first sub-product is sorted from the material. This includes glass, ferrous metals, paper and cardboard. And we begin the recycling process. These valuable materials are then deposited in containers for subsequent transport to recycling companies. Any other materials which can obstruct or prevent the recovery process are also removed and transferred to a controlled landfill site. The remaining waste stays on the processing line for sorting. The remaining waste then goes through the first trommel, where the waste is sifted, thus generating two new processing lines. Materials of less than 80 millimeters, which are primarily organic, and materials larger than 80 millimeters, which make up the overflow trommel. An electric magnet is used to recover all of the ferrous metals from the organic fractions. This material is then transported to the ferrous press, where it is pressed into bales and sent to recycling companies. Ferrous metals recovered. The remaining organic material is deposited into containers using a pivotal conveyor and is then transported to the composting area of the facility through a controlled biological process and with the aid of